Children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that we have started in English language our new chapter, that is chapter number 5, nouns and kinds of nouns. So you all know that this week we have started with this chapter, and you all know that till now I have explained you the topic of nouns as well as kinds of nouns, and I have completed with your book exercises, and now we are doing notebook exercises. Is that clear? So till yesterday I have given you notebook exercises to complete. So I hope you all have completed your notebook exercises in your notebooks, English language notebooks, very carefully, sequentially according to dates. Okay, date wise you must have completed your work, and make sure children your language work should be done in your language notebooks, your literature work should be done in your literature notebooks, and practice work should be completed in your practice notebooks. Is that clear? So today, as you all know that yesterday we have completed with our notebook exercises. So today we are going to do activity of chapter number 5, that is nouns and kinds of nouns. So for that, again you have to take out your English language notebook, children, and please turn to a new page. As you all know that we start the new exercise or any new topic from a new page as we start, because we always write the date of a new day. Is that clear? So children, before starting with today's assignment, today's videos, I would like to give you a short recap. Want to show you a short recap of all the exercises which we have done for this chapter. So one by one I will be showing you all the exercises which we have done. So on 9th of July, children, I have started the chapter in notebooks, and I have given you the definition part of your notebooks to write, and part B which I have given you was of one exercise which was related to the topic of nouns, in which you have to read the words and you have to place them, arrange them in their correct place. Okay, so I hope this work you have done, all have done. Now next work which I gave you was on 10th of July, that was of kinds of noun. Here I explained you the topic of kinds of nouns also, and I have given you to write these things here. And then next page we have written the definition of proper noun. Okay, I have explained you that there are 3 types of nouns: proper noun, common noun, and collective noun. So here we have written the spelling, the definition of proper noun with examples. Then in the next page, common noun definition with its examples, and then in the last we have written collective nouns with its examples. Okay, with definition and examples. Now next, on 15th we have started with again a new exercise which was part D, in which again you have to read these words and you have to put them, arrange them in their correct order. I hope you all have done that. And then one more exercise which I gave you yesterday was of underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns, and there were 8 sentences in which I explained you how you will find out the proper noun and circle them, and how you will find out common noun and underline them. So till here I hope you all have completed your work. Now starting with our today's activity, okay, our today's video, which is of activity number 1. Now this is very interesting activity. You just have to think and do this activity, children. I will explain you, and if you want to change the answers you can change them, but they should be correct. So first of all, you all know that you will write down today's date, that is 16/7/2021. First line you will give the heading of your chapter, that is chapter number 5, nouns, kinds of nouns, and in the next line you will write down what we are going to do today is activity 1. Clear? Now what is the first activity which we are going to do today? And one more thing, children, as you all know that every day you get 2 activities. two videos, part 1 and part 2. So here in part 1 video we will be doing activity 1, and in part 2 video we will be doing activity 2. Clear to you all? So let's get started. Write any 5 common nouns that you find in the places given below. यहाँ पे हमने कुछ places के नाम दिए हैं और वहाँ पे आपको कौन कौन से कॉमन नाउन दिखते हैं, कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ें दिखती हैं जो कॉमन नाउन की कैटेगरी में आते हैं. यू हैव टू टेल दोज 5 नेम्स. ओके, 5 common nouns you have to tell which you see in these particular places. So first place is school. Is that clear? First place क्या है? School. SCHOOL, school. तो school में हम कौन सी ऐसी 5 चीज़ें देखते हैं जो common nouns में आती हैं? स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, जिसमें गर्ल्स भी हैं, बॉयज़ भी हैं, ओके, छोटे बच्चे भी हैं, बड़े बच्चे भी हैं, मिडिल एज बच्चे भी हैं. सो वी डोंट नो दैट विच टाइप ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट और विच particular student we are talking about. So students will be your common noun. Then teacher. In your school there are many teachers. We are not talking about a particular teacher, so when we are talking about all the teachers we will write it in common noun. Okay, then principal. You don't know the name of a principal, then principal will be your common noun. Then books. Okay, books, there are lot of books in your school, you don't know which books we are talking about. Then peon. There are many peons in your school. Okay, those who help the teachers, principal, office people. Okay, so we don't know the particular names of those people, so we will write them as peons in common noun. Is that clear, children? So students, teacher, principal, books and peon are the 5 common nouns which we see in the place of school. Clear? If you see any other things like chair, table, desk, chalk, duster, you can write that also. Okay, so if you want to change any, you can write on your own also. Clear? Now moving towards the next place, that is garden. Now garden में हमें क्या क्या चीज़ें मिलती हैं? First you can see children, CHILDREN, children. गार्डन में बच्चे होते हैं खेलने के लिए. Then comes flowers, FLOWERS, flowers. We don't know particular flowers, we are just talking about all the flowers because many flowers we can see in garden. Okay, then comes plants, PLANTS, plants. Okay, there are a lot of plants in a garden, so we don't know one particular name of a plant. Okay, then what you see there? You see benches, 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 which are helpful for you all to sit there if you are not अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए हो, if you are not able to walk or you are not able to play anymore, then you can go and sit on benches. So garden, in a garden there are benches also. And then you can also write swings, SWINGS, swings. Swings means झूले, जिस पे आप झूलते हैं. Clear? Then the next, so by this we have completed our 5 examples of common noun in garden also. 1 2 3 4 5. And if you see any other thing there, any other common nouns there, then you can write those also. Clear? Then coming to the next place, that is market. Now market is a place where you can see a lot of things. Okay, so first the most important things which we see in market is shops, SHOPS, shops. Okay, then we see clothes, CLOTHES, clothes. Okay, then we see there vehicles, VEHICLES, vehicles. Clear? Then what we see there? Men, बहुत सारे जेंट्स भी होते हैं वहाँ, MEN, men. Then we see women also there, WOMEN, women. Okay, and we see children, CHILDREN, children there. Okay, so if you want to write any other, I have written here, I have given you 6 options. Okay, but only 5 we have to write, so you can write any 5 except these words which I have written here, you can write any other also, okay, because market is a place where you find lot of things which can be written here as common nouns. Is that clear? So shops, clothes, vehicles, men, women are all your common nouns which you see in market. So I hope this activity is clear to you all. So once again I am repeating, children, in this what you have to do, you have to give 5 common nouns of all the 3 places which I have given you here, like school, then garden and then market. Okay, तो स्कूल में हमें 5 कॉमन नाउन्स क्या मिलते हैं? स्टूडेंट्स, बुक्स, टीचर्स, पियोन एंड प्रिंसिपल. देन गार्डन में हमें 5 क्या कॉमन नाउन मिलते हैं? चिल्ड्रन, फ्लावर्स, प्लांट्स, बेंचेस एंड स्विंग्स. देन मार्केट में हमें क्या चीज़ें मिलती हैं जो कॉमन नाउन्स हैं? शॉप्स, क्लोथ्स, व्हीकल्स, men, women, children. Is that clear? So I hope you all have understood this activity 1 clearly, and I want you all to finish this activity in your notebooks and then switch on to my part 2 video for your next activity. Bye bye.